ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkhia, ka Shong ha ka Jinglong scam, bat Jingjit bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka Kali ka ban san ya ka Lintia jongpi, ka La ban long ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo khandai hinyo lai.
Laisngi jonga jingbon kam namar ka dor bartlang ki MDC bat ginong trei jonga Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council menta ka janmir ki labu syarut ya ki kam bat kilaya wanlang ban rakhi advance Christmas ya ka bala penlong ha plau jonga office kani ka dai ka sien ka banengkong ba ka KHADC kan penlong ya kum kani ka jingrakhi ha ka ba barok ki MDC kilaya nok senyang ban penlong ya kani ka jingrakhi ka ba job. Hagani kasngi Chief Minister ke Jelau Konrad K. Sangma ulawan ban yadon langkum ukongsan bat haga jingkren lengkot ula kular ban kersyan pura na kabenta jongga council. Nalor ki kenhun ke bala syakot sengobhaban ruai hagani ke Lehkmen Christmas la sakhiru ya ki Ryndang ba jonggi MDC ki bala shimenta ban ruai. Hapedeng ke jingnok karta u MDC ba syusi uba bindo mathol lanong ulapan iya ka sap ruai bat ka sap tem gitar jong u baru bak por leng dok pat ula ai ke Jingrwai Christmas.
Jesus my Lord, a wonderful Savior to me. He hideth my soul in the cleft of the rock, where rivers of pleasure I see. He hideth my soul in the cleft of the rock that shadows a dry, thirsty land. He hideth my life in the depths of His love and covers me there with His hand, and covers me there with His hand. A wonderful Savior is Jesus my Lord. He taketh my burden away. He holdeth me up, and I shall not be moved. He giveth me strength as my day.
As a portion of kami badong Akia me as a portion of Maroshi me come on Christmas come on Christmas Long Yesu sing on and commit pardon. Akia amin as washing on Maroshime.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Once in a year, it's not for us to miss. To this